What's up, guys? Welcome to a brand new video. Today on the Sam and Xander channel, we're gonna be camping. Right now it's raining, so my iPad's gonna get wet.
We'll be fine. Like, it's not like severe rain where like we can't survive it, but it's not like calm raining or like it's nothing.
But yeah, guys, it's gonna be a good day video. Me and Sam, my dad, his dad, we're gonna go camping here in the woods. So let's get ready for a good day.
We're gonna get some fire started. We're gonna cook either
Maybe fire.
hot dogs, mac and cheese.
Hot dogs. The cat is under the vehicle again. And let's see if there's anything else fun I have. Yeah, there's a lot of flying heads. What do you want?
No, actually don't, because it's not strong enough.
Alright guys, I'm gonna look for something fun. I'll be good. If it falls. Hi Sam, right here. Alright guys, me and Sam are gonna like try to pass with a pickleball.
Car, C-A-R.
It'll be fun. Right here, Sam.
Okay.
Try.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Be good, guys.
You good shot?
Alright, ready? Okay, that sucked. Alright, C-A-R. Car's coming, guys.
No, but what song is car, C-A-R? They have their window down. Ready?
Yeah.
That wasn't terrible. I think it could have been stronger.
Oh, that was terrible. That was too strong.
I'm actually gonna try that. I wish it was a real pickleball
Wait,
court.
that's kind of fun. Watch.
Hold on, keep doing it. Alright, let's get it, Sam. I'm gonna hold this.
Careful.
I got this. Oh god.
Stop.
Oh yeah. It's gonna be hard as one hand, guys. I got it. Maybe my
Where
dad,
did you get these from?
Jonathan,
Where did Jonathan get these from?
somewhere.
Where did Summer get these?
Oh my god, this kid keeps asking questions. Well, we'll be back whenever we're done doing something.
Bring your football.
I
Maybe.
don't think we have the football. We have a frisbee, a regular frisbee.
Are you sure you didn't bring the football?
Alright guys, we've been here.
Sure.
Like,
Are you sure you didn't bring the football?
it might be up
Come
there.
check.
Oh yeah, I guess. I'll bring a football. But guys, it's been like 10, 15, 20 minutes.
Talking about the Nerf one.
I know. It's been like 10, 20 minutes since we recorded the last parts. Now I'm sweating a little bit. Sam is getting the football and we're probably gonna play catch.
Alright.
What's up guys? We set up our tent. Very lightningy outside. Very windy. I don't like this, but oh my god. We gotta get it.
Tent set up. It's extremely windy.
We're gonna put these in to help anchor the tent down so it won't fly away.
Alright guys. Well, if we don't ever post ever again, then just yeah.
Lightning is getting close. Yep.
Bye guys.
Yeah,
Bro.
we'll get the flare shots and we'll do that.
We'll drive around to the rodeo. If we're going to the rodeo,
Yeah.
guys.
I say no.
And we gotta push this like,
Over here.
yeah, and then we got another one to bring in just to help hold the tent down in case it gets too windy.
Xander, help.
Alright guys. Oh god. So loud guys.
This one, do you want to pull it over there?
I'll try.
Corner.
Push the
Okay.
button down.
No, it's fine.
It's got wheels on the back.
It's fine.
The wheels on the back.
Alright. 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, we got this. I get to play.
Twist it.
No time. Bro, guys. My second time camping, this happens. Oh, this is the thing. Wi-Fi. Shut down some other stuff. Oh my god.
So, it's a little bit stormy.
Think? Woo!
Okay.
Alright guys, let me show you the whole tent. A tent tour real quick. It's not done, but we'll see Oh my. Oh, it's close.
Someone help!
Hold on. So there's like a patty. Alright, guys.
It's starting to rain. It's starting to rain.
Alright. Guys. Alright. See you next the rodeo. Okay, I'm good. Oh my god, guys. Is it hot?
Take that back.
What's that? It says adult on it.
Oh my god, guys.
Come on. I need chips.
Move stuff in the tent. Just keep carrying stuff, boys.
Should I bring this in the tent?
Yeah, bring everything inside.
Oh my god. See if we see lightning.
Got some snacks teed off.
Oh my god. Oh, lightning.
Let it go! We don't need that. That can stay in the car. We need that. So we can get everything.
Holy crap. Tent tour real quick. Like a fast real. Oh my lordy lord. Veg stuff, coolers. So tent is a 5-way roll. Oh wow, flares. That's ours. Sheesh. Oh buddy.
What?
Where are we going?
We're getting stuff out of here so we can get in the truck. We have to put this stuff in the. Okay, one more.
In the tent?
Yes. Come on, we got big stuff we can get up.
Gotta work hard if you want to get the good stuff. Hey George.
Hold on, I'm gonna move this in here so you can see.
Alright, hold on. I'll move that later.
Well, then why don't you take the whole box out?
Alright guys, I'll see you in the next part. Alright guys, we're heading to the rodeo. Oh. But yeah. Did you tire flat?
No.
How about guys?
So close, almost ready to go.
Get your boots.
I gotta move. But guys, it's a big storm.
Almost ready to go on the rodeo.
Like thunder and then lightning and then it's
Prized possessions.
going fast.
Sorry.
I think we're good.
Alright guys, we'll talk to you when we're at the rodeo.
Might be canceled because
My god.
it's not too bad raining. Could be worse. It's actually kind of fun.
You want to grab something for the road?
Yeah, let me go get my. Can I go get a water?
Adults, and then the white one has a bunch of
Water?
iced teas.
Alright, be right back.
Water.
Oh my god. I don't like I like
It was perfectly fine. Like 20 minutes ago.
yeah, it was easy fine. Like
20
20
minutes.
minutes. That's a good storm.
Seen we've had harder in Arizona. Peoria. Not here. Or
Just
we'll be fine though.
yeah.
Not too hard. I bet by the time we're gone it'll be all cleared up. Let's see on my weather. Whatever it's called. Ooh!
So
My radar. Let's see. Careful, I got that. Sit. Do you know how to?
I'm gonna go see at the rodeo.
Alright, let's go.
Pancakes and bacon if the weather's good.
Earlier we ran into elk.
Wait, Dad, do you have chocolate chips?
I did bring chocolate chips. We can get some tonight. You want some chocolate chip here?
Yeah, but I'm fine with pancakes.
We got glitter for it.
Tonight for dessert, do you want an ice cream sandwich to share?
Did you buy 2 of those?
Oh no, I already had one from like 2 years ago whenever I put my bug out bag.
But guys,
Oh, okay.
ran into elk there. Just driving. We're going to the rodeo. Sam,
Look
right?
at that rainbow.
Sam, are we going to the rodeo?
Yeah, we're gonna go to a rodeo in like a barrel roll.
I'm really proud of us. That
That's our water source.
It's probably been
There's no
20 years
water in
since
here
I've
now,
seen
but we're
that
going into town to also fill it
I
up.
want to say it's probably like
So
2000.
it would have been heavy if it was filled with water.
2001. We had
Whoa,
5
whoa,
years.
whoa.
I bought it, used it once, and it's just sat in that bag the whole time.
When
You
I can
didn't.
see-
I used it back like 2 years after I joined the FBI.
I feel like we
Yeah,
might
this
have
guy
used
used
it
to
once
work in the
with,
FBI.
Alex and William.
Not that one. We used the REI one that we put away. Hard to set up either. That one's pretty easy to set up. But
My brother Bilo.
with the rain coming and the rodeo starting,
We should have set it up in that one.
if we want, we
because-
can set it up tomorrow.
No, because that one had like 2 rooms.
I don't know what
We
to
got a
talk about.
divider in that.
But
tent, don't
guys, yeah,
Yeah.
be
we? It's a
good
2-bedroom tent.
video. Mm-hmm.
But did not have the
Good
patio.
video. Make sure to watch Zane and Sokoa, Arizona. We're going to Arizona today. Or
No,
not today, tomorrow, but this will be part of the video, the Arizona. So yeah,
Yeah, they ended up out
see you
with
guys at the
log
rodeo.
The
Yeah!
guy told us that there's gonna be there's gonna be barrel girls.
Nice.
She was like, "Are you?"
fires. To a rodeo. They got blown away by a tornado in the movie. Now we're going to a rodeo that's in the middle of the storm.
Yeah, in the movie Twisters, there is in the middle of rodeo and a tornado happened, but there's no tornadoes where we are. That's the roller coaster that with you. Oh, guys.
We should have brought in hats and stuff.
Yeah, that is the coaster over there.
What hats?
Yeah.
Sam? Cowboy
That's
hats?
the
No, I meant
Any
the
hats.
that's the
hoodies.
Canyon coaster over there.
Yeah, Sam and I did that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But it's
This summer
locked.
or last summer?
2 or so.
Yeah, that's when Charlotte had a camp up here.
Okay.
We
Guys,
had time to kill.
I'll
so
meet
we
you
went
there.
That's a lot of
Yahoo! Oh yeah, boy. Glasses are getting wet. You're
Look
getting
at
wet.
this. Wait, can you record me?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, rainbow.
It's cold water.
Woo! Okay, I'm going behind. I'm going to the side of the truck.
Wait, why is my bag?
Just come right here, then. Alright, guys. We'll meet you at the rodeo. We're here. We're here, guys. Get under this. Ah, it hurts. Woo! It's hot. Oh no, the opposite of hot. There's a lot of cowboys here. Yeah! Yeah! Well, guys, cold, but we got this. Tornado, guys!
What do you think, Sam?
Which one's bigger?
It's rodeo time.
Alright, guys, it's starting. Let's go, Sam! What's up, guys? I just went on. I was out there running because they told us to take off our shoes. They threw him and he had to get it. That was crazy. He's beating now. Sam's beating. Woo!
Guys, why don't we go back there and see if
Bro, that's from his shoe. Bro, that was fun.
No,
Woo! Woo! Oh yeah, boy.
Oh.
Oh, body.
Contracting in Warriorton sector. Bull riding champion to be riding. 8 seconds we get that 2 times a day. Ladies and gentlemen, what do you say to the Keith family right here? Make a little noise for them. That is the radio producer, Keith family.
Oh.
Savannah, Southern and Slave Keith. Give a round of applause
Oh my God, guys.
They're out there to keep friends. They're out on the field full of knee-high grass. They get to make green in the morning and hay in the evening. They a lot of reason for the folks that get raised on the Keith family ranch. Ladies and gentlemen, what do you say to your stall contractor for how well they keep the horses and your great picking in the great sport of rodeo? So ladies and gentlemen, come on back tomorrow night, 7:30, all new Cowboys and Cowgirls. If you enjoyed it, tell your friends, tell them thank you. As you exit on out the gate, you're going to get time to see. You're going to be able to introduce yourself to your bullfighters, to your rodeo clown, the picket men. They're going to be signing autographs over there at the exit gate. Tell them thank you for their service and their job. On behalf of myself, Bob, your rodeo announcer. You know your stock contractor, Jason Keith of the Keith Family Rodeo Productions. Thank you for coming on out. Be safe, and we'll see you tomorrow night. Happy trails to you.
Yeah.
Had a little bit of slack. We got some extra.
Hello, guys. See you probably maybe at the campground or see you tomorrow morning at stuff. Later. Horsey. So, guys, we just made it past morning. It's like
Pretty cold out. Like,
7:30. It's cold out. We have a fire.
Dad, how cold is it out?
Yeah? Right in the 60s.
60 degrees.
It feels good though.
67.
Feels good
Then
because
camping,
we're from Peoria and it's like 100 at least.
Yep.
trees. We just walked like me and Sam walked there and farther. Yeah.
I see your bus over there with the little teddy bears on it. Sam and
We're camping. And that kid right there, Sam, keeps sneezing. Well, achoo, achoo, achoo. 2 seconds later, achoo, achoo, achoo. My dad's like, stop. And he's like, achoo, achoo, achoo. I ran all the way over here. And he starts sneezing again. He's in sneezing concern. If I go over there and he starts sneezing, he's allergic to me. Are you allergic to me, Sam?
What?
Are you allergic to me?
really good. And then before two, weird. I felt like I was I got sucked out of my dream, kind of came back to reality, and then I was like, why did I wake up? Like, is there a noise or something? And then he woke. I heard you guys talking, and then no, actually, I don't know if he woke up or not. And then
I'm making a fire.
Just start putting rocks in a circle, and then just start building the edges up higher and higher and higher. I see big rocks over there you can use.
Found a big rock. We're driving Polaris right now. We're gonna go to the downtown of where we are, and then we're gonna go up a mountain, and yeah, so far so good.
Did you lock everything, Dad?
Yeah,
Will no one steal anything?
I think we're in good shape.
Maybe someone else steal the tent.
Huh? Looks like they're gonna thin out all those trees that are marked.
I saw it yesterday.
Cut them out? Are they gonna cut these trees out?
I think some of them are dying. That's why they have a mark. They're just gonna thin them out.
This is fun.
Sam, just stand right here and take a picture.
I'm really getting upset at you.
Why?
You gotta be careful if you're not being careful.
Okay.
I would go down there.
Back in. I just want to take a picture of you standing right there for
I'm
Mom.
doing this, but don't be on your phone while driving.
Okay.
Wow, a bunch of trees. Beautiful view. I would get on the rock, but if I fall, I'm like gonna land over there somewhere, and I don't want to fall. Gonna try to get back up, guys. Got help. Are we good, guys? On our way to the top of a mountain. See you. Not in a good mood right now.
Sam, hold on a second. Xander, stand right there. Let's get that close. Go right there. Just stand next to each other and face me.
Wow. Ladybugs. Ladybugs everywhere, guys. We're just on top. A lot more
All those
ladybugs.
red things are ladybugs. Orange is red.
Well, yes.
Okay, Sam?
We're coming back down from the big towers.
Going down. I know, we'll get out to the ski park soon enough.
Sam.
Tuck the thing back in.
Taking a high. We're done run from the mountains down.
What'd you say?
Yeah.
It's still going well. No, we lost Sam. We'll miss him. Sam, stand there. Put your heads together and say hey.
Hey!
Hey. Say. Yeah.
Life is good today, boys. Life is good today. Alright, we want to zip line or do we want to go adventure some more?
I want to go to the
Canyon coasters?
I want to go to Arizona.
Where?
Canyon coasters is fun.
Yeah, Canyon Coasters.
I feel like bears are tomorrow.
And the zip line. Maybe after Canyon coaster we could do zip line. So we'll see you at Canyon Coaster later. Probably like a time lapse of when we drive into
Oh,
Canyon
see you
Coaster.
sliding. See you on the windshield right there, crawling.
Oh yeah, so
Adios and vio con
By
Dios.
the mirror. There's a spider on the windshield by the mirror.
Let me send Mom a message.
alright guys.
So I know
See
you're
you at Canyon
good.
Coaster. Sam, stop. Stop. We're on a hammock. And he's playing the play. I mean, he's in the sun. We're just relaxing. Not really got anything going on for the video right now. This is not the end of the video. Okay. If I break this stick in half with 2 fingers, you have to subscribe. Easy. If I make this, you have to like this video and subscribe to Xander Sequoia. Not Sam and Xander. Well, it's still Sam and Xander, but Xander Sequoia too. Easy peasy lemon cheesy. Bye, fellas. You don't have to do anything. That's yours. But yeah, we have nothing to do right now, so. Getting coaster. We just did. Sorry. Some of the videos, the candy coaster might be at the end of the video. Sam's doing the whole thing. And dive on it.
Easy.
Alright, guys.
Now we're gonna go. Let's do it this way.
Look at their tent.
Go this way. And then go to the left a little bit. Go that way. Go between that rock and that tree. Oh. All right, go between the rock and the tree that way.
Okay.
See that rock right there? Take a left. But don't hit the rock. Okay, drive. Gas, please. Go.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, now onto the road.
Guys, I'm driving.
No, Sam,
Sam's
do
driving.
this.
No, I don't want to.
Sam, you got it. Go. You were doing great.
Nice job, Sam. He's doing good.
Left. Oh, straight. Yeah, straight down.
Yeah, I'm fine.
How's the people over there? Horses.
Can't go there, people. You got enough or what?
Huh?